Now wow. I'm okay, Omo. That paper was tough, man.
Very tough. Thank God
I'm so tired.
Please give me chin chin and mineral.
I want chin chin. So how was the paper, Gloria?
It was kind of hard though. Hey, I can't even remember the past tense of think. I thought and thought and thought for a very long time. I just ended up writing tons.
I guess you're right though. Because after I thought for a while, I think I wrote tons too. Now what? Give me chin chin now. Now wow. What of the past tense of right?
That one. I can't remember what I wrote though. Oh yes, I wrote written. Yes, written.
Me, I never bother. I beg, I'm not kill myself, please. After what of past tense of go?
Go. When I head down, I just left the hall. I can't come and kill myself now.
Wallahi, Omo, me. When I saw it, I just went out of the exam room like this.
Exactly.
They give us exam that is beyond our standard.
Those teachers are wicked. Very wicked.
Wow.
Don't consign them. I can't kill myself, you know.
Omo. So that's so these girls take fail their exam like this. They don't know. But if na shawarma, you know how to buy shawarma or shortbread. It's a boribo. What a shame.